If you're editing on your phone and you think you need a computer, you don't. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to edit a clean video in PowerDirector using just your phone. We will start by opening up PowerDirector. Then, as you see, create a new project. Choose your screen ratio, which use portrait at all times. Import one video clip. Remember, always use portrait. Now, trim and arrange your clip by dragging to the part that you like to keep and clipping the part that you don't want. Tap on split. You'll see a scissor icon and delete the mistake that you don't want. See, editing is about pulling out the bad parts. Now you want to add text. Just tap on text. Down the bottom, choose a clean title style. Then resize it to what size you want it and look at your style of text. Adjust the duration to match the clip, and you can also use simple beats with your text. Next, add music. Tap the audio. Choose from stock music or import your own. Lower your music volume, but keep the voice louder than the music. Because if your audience can't hear you, they won't stay. Next, if you want to zoom in and out, you can use your fingers to do that. But then you also can use the Pro PowerDirector. If you don't want to spend extra money, just use your fingers. That's easy. Okay? And you can zoom in and out, but don't overdo it. Okay? Now, next is the most important thing. Export. That means the video that you have created, you want to go ahead and export it to your hard drive. Use the resolution 1080, which is good, and 30 frames per second. Export, and voila, there you have it. Now, if you want more mobile editing tutorials, follow me. I'll teach you how to edit without being overwhelmed. And if you want to get the app, all you need to do is click the link below the description. Check it out. Not only that, I am an affiliate for PowerDirector, and you can be too. Just click that link below the description here on YouTube, and you can get paid a commission as well.